One teacher who was very important to me is my English teacher in high school, Miss Alice. She always encouraged me to speak English confidently, even when I made mistakes. She used creative methods like games and storytelling to make every class enjoyable. And what made her special was how she believed in every student's potential. Because of her, I started to love English and decided to study English education at university. She truly inspired me to become a teacher who can motivate others the same way she did. The female students disagrees with the university's new transportation policy because she thinks it will be very inconvenient for students. Her first reason is that there's no public transportation to the Wolf Science Center. Students will have to walk about 20 minutes through unsafe neighborhoods to get there. Her second reason is that the $50 voucher isn't enough. It only covers about 1 month of public transportation, so most students won't be able to take the subway or bus regularly. For this reason, she believes the new policy will cause problems instead of helping students. According to the lecture, many modern letters actually come from ancient pictographs. For example, the letter A began as an Egyptian drawing of a bull's head. Over time, the eyes and details disappeared, and the arms turned into two diagonal lines, forming the letter A we use today. Another example is the letter I, which originally saw a person praying with arms stretched out. As time passed, the picture was rotated and simplified, and the three horizontal lines in the eye represented the person's arms and head. This example shows how pictographs slowly became more abstract and eventually turned into modern alphabet letters. In the lecture, the professor explains the paradox of technology. When something that's supposed to make life easier actually makes it more complicated. The first example is about remote controls. People use them so they don't have to get up to change the channel. But now we have so many devices that each one needs its own remote. The universal remote was invented to fix that, but it's difficult to program and remember the buttons, so it becomes even more confusing. The second example is cell phones. They've become smaller and more portable, but the buttons are too tiny, so people often press the wrong numbers by accident. So instead of simplifying life, technology sometimes make it harder, and that's the paradox of technology.